Hello, hello, hello. I'm Mandy. Welcome back to my channel. I am so happy that you have found me. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button and become a member of our little squad over here. This is Chaos Kitty meowing her way into the video because she doesn't like it when mommy talks out loud. So, St. Patrick's Day is tomorrow. Sorry for the late notice, but we're gonna do our what's now kind of a yearly video with Blood Money, which is my favorite green palette. I was having some trouble with the mats the other day, so I don't know, the palette is rather old. So we're just gonna do a quick little tutorial. Now, you guys know, if you are in the beauty space, that the way that we do eyeshadow has changed. I'm sorry, I'm just jumping right into this one because I've got to get it filmed and edited because I am so behind. St. Patrick's Day is tomorrow. So we do less eye makeup than we used to, but there is a way to still do colorful, exciting looks that are a little bit more on trend. So that's what we're going to attempt to do over here. Let's do that with this little brush right here. I also, the video right after this one is going to be our Gwen Stefani video. I got the products. They're here. I'm so excited. I think I'm the first person to do a review of that blue pencil. You know you want to see it. So that's coming up. That's the next video. Okay. So you guys, I think, let me put in a little blip of me showing you how to mix these two colors together. Guys, I'm getting ready for work and I just have to show you the coolest thing. So of course I'm working with my Blood Money palette. You guys know it's my favorite green palette. And when you put this color, what is this? Mint Condition down. You put that down first. Then you put Chameleon Fetish on top of it. It turns it the most beautiful neon limey green you'll ever see. Super cool. Had to show you. Be back with more later. So I can't decide if we should do that or something lighter. Pastel and light is what is kind of in right now. So I think we're going to go for something light. We're going to use our Princess Peach crown mirror. And I think we're going to go into Mint Condition, because it matches my shirt and I think it matches, it's on trend for right now. Here, what we're gonna do is that little dealy bobber where, dealy bobber, there you go, where we're going to put color out here. Going kind of straight out. From the lash line. I'm going to bring it all the way out to a point. And then we're going to do that same color up here. Now, let's start with the white and see what happens. That one is called Divine Intervention. Oh yeah, I think that's the perfect color. So then we're just coming up in that area that we left open. Yeah, because that's a duochrome and it looks so cute. So this is also just very, very on trend and popular to do a very light wash of color in between, well, actually like a duochrome in between two light washes of color with heavy weighted. And we're just going to dab that. Yep. Across that edge. And we're going to do the same thing here. Can't tell if I love it or hate it. I'm also going to take that color, the darker one, and sweep it along the bottom lash line. And I will be back when I'm all put together. Okay, so I've got the rest of everything on, and that is what the look looks like. And now I'm starting to use just some, these are from Notorious, and this is a fantastic graphic liner pad. So one of the things that's also going on in eyeshadow news is that pretty much everything you do, graphic liner should kind of be in your wheelhouse. So I took the opposite end of the paintbrush, because if I took the paintbrush, it's not going to make the perfect dots. But if I take the back end of the paintbrush, I can make these perfect little dots. So I'm going to go back over these because they didn't show up very well, and now you can see the dots. I'm going to do the same thing there. Pick up some more. And there we have our St. Patty's Day thing. Now we're also I'm gonna go ahead and make a rainbow. For the picture. Yikes, I got paint all over Jeffrey's mirror. Well, it's my mirror now, Jeffrey. Okay, so 3 dots on top. This style of doing the duochrome in the middle like that, and then having these 2 slashes of color is very popular. The graphic liner on that side got a little goopy, but that's okay. You know, graphic liner is something that people are afraid of because you've already put the rest of your look together and you're worried that the graphic liner is going to ruin it. Most of the time, it's just about being brave enough to draw the lines. So now we're going to go back into the palette and we're going to make a little rainbow over here. So I'm going to go into this neon red with some water. So guys, if you don't have a cake liner palette, I'm about to do a video on how you can get that from Beauty Bay right now. They have, I think the Suva Taffies are on sale for like 20 bucks. And they have some really interesting sales going on. Okay. So now we're going to make ourselves a little rainbow. Maybe we'll make the rainbow come out of here. So we're going to just make a little line. See? Most of artistry is just about being brave enough to get started. A lot of people will sit and stare at a blank canvas, not knowing what to do, and sometimes you just have to get in there and get started. I am not a pro with any of this either. Sometimes I get it too watery. Sometimes it's not watery enough. Life is always complicated. Okay. And then we have that. Green, blue, purple, and then we'll make a cloud. I'm going to do the lighter green, the minty. No, maybe I'll mix some of it together. There we go. The other thing about graphic liner is you want to get something that you can mix with. Because it's not easy to mix all the colors up, but really if you have primary colors you can get all the rest of them. So you kind of need just a little tray or something to work with. I need the darker blue. And I think we're going to leave it without the purple. We're going to go ahead and draw ourselves a little cloud over here. And then we are leprechauned up and ready for everything, I guess. I don't know. Now, with this graphic liner, these ones are glow in the dark. I believe all the rest of mine are glow in the dark as well. If I was going to clubs, I would light up under that black light for show. So there we are. We have, I don't know, maybe I should color in the cloud a little bit, make some details. I've got some new paints coming that are brand new from Suva. Now we're gonna put just some little blue details in the cloud, and we will be good to go. I don't know if you guys can see that. But there we go. We're leprechauns up. We are ready for St. Patrick's Day. These dots could have stood to be just a little bit further apart. However, I think that it's a cute little look for St. Patrick's Day. I'm going to turn these on for just a second. There's a little bit of a flashing light here, but we're ready. Happy St. Patrick's Day, guys. I hope you have a good one. Take care of each other. I love you guys. If you are waiting on a giveaway from me, there's still 4 people who are waiting on their items. It's unacceptable, so you are going to be well taken care of. I'm throwing in all kinds of extras. I'm so sorry. I just got today the vacuum bags to seal up the yak, and I'm getting that baby to California. Thank you guys so much. I love you. I will see you on the next one. Bye.